Hi guys, welcome back to LTL. This is Nathan. Today we're out in Shanghai City asking people why did they decided to come to this city. Why is it that they love it so much? Well, let's go out and hear all about it.
Bueno, él siempre ha querido venir aquí a China, así que hemos montado una ruta
Por toda China.
por toda China.
Shanghái, Pekín,
Yao, Chengdu, Hong Kong, Xi'an, Cantón.
25 días.
没有，我们来上海都是拍照比较多，观光比较多。
对，我们后面还去了苏州那边。
I think most people who choose it because it's more international, it's more business focused. The pace is much quicker than in other cities.
因为上海是一个很大的城市，非常的国际化。
Even though it doesn't really have as much of the kind of traditional Chinese aspect as Beijing, for example, but it still has much more. It has much more life. Like you can find everything here.
学好汉语可以在上海，就是让你的生活更便利，而且可以帮你找到更好的工作，而且你还可以更好的跟中国人交朋友。
You can find 10 different taco restaurants and 100 different Sichuan restaurants and whatever you like, Shanghai has it.
地大物博，是地方很大，然后东西很多。
魔都
白华。
Well, we hear a lot of different opinions, and as you know, Shanghai is super international. Now, for foreigners, that is very important. I hope that this open your eyes on Shanghai City and make you come and visit us over here. You can also come by LTL office, but I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and like. Of course, share with your friends if you are planning to come by, and see you later.